dramatic military maneuver that has captured international attention, the United States has executed a massive deployment of dozens AH-64 Apache helicopters to the Philippines. This historic delivery was carried out aboard the largest U.S. marine transportation vessel, the Liberty Promise, which raced across the seas to reach Subic Bay. The operation, unveiled on May 24, 2024, underscores America's commitment to regional security in Southeast Asia. The AH-64 Apache helicopters, renowned for their cutting-edge capabilities in combat, were transported on the impressive Henry J. Kaiser-class amphibious ship, Liberty Promise. As the vessel docked in Subic Bay, Philippines, it heralded a surprise arrival that resonated across military and diplomatic circles. The helicopters, crucial for extensive military operations, are poised to play a pivotal role in the region. The unloading of the AH-64 Apache helicopters from the Liberty Promise was executed seamlessly, demonstrating effective coordination between U.S. military personnel and local Philippine authorities. Preparation for strategic operations in the area is now underway, signaling a significant bolstering of U.S. military presence in the Philippines. This deployment arrives amidst escalating tensions in the Asia-Pacific, where China's assertive military maneuvers in the South China Sea have heightened concerns. While the Philippine government has yet to issue an official statement on the helicopter's arrival, several military officials have confirmed awareness and ongoing coordination with the United States regarding its objectives. The deployment of Apache helicopters is anticipated to dominate headlines in the coming days, sparking speculation about its strategic intentions. As global scrutiny intensifies, observers are left to ponder the implications of this bold military maneuver and its potential ramifications for regional stability. The arrival of the AH-64 Apache helicopters in the Philippines marks a significant chapter in U.S.-Philippine relations and underscores America's proactive stance in safeguarding regional security amidst evolving geopolitical dynamics.